So you want to learn how to play one of the coolest games there have ever been in the entire world. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are in, that's right, you guessed it, Minecraft. We're going to go ahead and start up a single player world. I'm going to teach you guys a little bit of how to play Minecraft today and how to survive your first night. So we're going to go ahead and start up a new world. I'm just going to call this Kai's World, but we're going to do a regular default vanilla survival world, and we're gonna hop right into all the action. So we're gonna wait for this to load up, and I'll be back when it's done. Here we are in the world of Minecraft. As everything loads up, all the chunks are loading in right now. We're getting some of those lag spikes, which is fine because everything's loading in, but that's alright. So we have our default skin here. If I hit F5 twice on my keyboard, I can go into third person mode, and you can see this is Alex. She's the default. It used to be Steve. I miss Steve. But we have chickens and grass. The first thing you want to do is going to grab a tree. So it doesn't matter what kind of tree. You can grab an oak tree like this or a birch tree like that. I'm going to grab this classic guy right here. Just break off a couple pieces of these pieces of this wood. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button to do that. And just grab a couple of those pieces. Just holding down my left mouse button to break them. Grab 5 pieces of wood. We can hit E to go into our inventory here. So we can go ahead and just craft up all these oak planks. Just click all these, or you can hold down shift and click once and it'll just craft them all. So now, we have a bunch of oak planks because we can't do much with oak wood. So we're going to go ahead and just hold down the right mouse button and we'll just drag over top of all 4 of those. Now we can make a crafting table. This is the guy that we really need. We're going to grab this guy, put it right there. Hit E to go out of our inventory. We're just going to put this down. We're going to right click any block anywhere just to place that bad boy on the ground. Now, we're going to right click the crafting table, and that'll open up this little inventory here, where we have this new GUI right here, so we can grab our wood planks, and just put one right there, right click right there, and now we can make sticks. So that's going to give us 4 sticks. If we put those right there, we can put them anywhere. We can put this anywhere as long as they're up and down in that fashion like that, so keep that in mind. There you go. So we're going to grab those sticks, and now what we can do with these sticks, right click, right there, right? And now we're just going to create like a makeshift pickaxe. So right click. Now you can see we have a pickaxe, which is nice. So it's a wooden pickaxe. It doesn't do much damage, and it doesn't mine very fast. We can left click that, grab that pickaxe, put it right there. I like to put it in the second slot, and I'll show you why in a second here. If we do this again, we'll grab our sticks and right click one right there, and then right click. We have a sword to protect ourselves with. Now we're kind of running low on sticks, so we're going to make some more. Just going to just make some more of those right there. And now we can do the rest of our tools. So we're going to need an axe, and we're going to need a shovel too. So we're going to hold down the right mouse button to put 2 there, and we're going to put 2 more down so that we don't have to put any more sticks. Now, we need an axe. So like I said, 1, 2, 3. Kind of like an axe shape, right? So just kind of make it like an axe-like shape, and it looks, it works like that. You can also put it this way. It looks kind of strange that way, but you can do that too if you want. You can also put it over here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be in the center. You can put it off to the side. And I'll grab that. And we also need a shovel. So we're going to put one little piece of wood up at the top. And like I said, this works with any type of wood. So we can use the birch wood, and that's birch right there. It's lighter than the oak. And over there, if you can see, those are darker trees. Those are spruce trees over there. And you can use those as well. This is a snowy biome over that side, which is pretty cool. We'll go over there in a second. So now, we have all of our tools, but we need to find some stone. So, you see this gray stuff right there, that's the stone that we need to make a furnace and to make a lot of other stuff. It's very strong material, so we can go ahead and just chop a few pieces off here. We'll just hold down the left mouse button. Yeah, so like I said, we'll just break off a few pieces of cobblestone there, and we're gonna grab 8 pieces. So I'm gonna grab, what's that, 4? If I hit the control button while walking, using WASD to run, WASD by the way, to walk. If I hit the control button while walking, I can run. See how fast? If you look straight up until you can't look up anymore, that's directly where the sun should be. That's the middle of the day. So now the sun's going back down. We got enough time to get some stuff done. We need to worry about food and a place to sleep right now. So we're going to go around and see if... Oop, this is a lava pit. Yeah, you do not want to fall in there. That's not a good place to fall. Oop, and I see a skeleton. You see that right there? Let me zoom in. If I hit the escape button, I can go to the options tab here and just move my field of view. That's a creeper, the green thing that's walking, that's a creeper. And then that guy right there, that's a skeleton. So you're going to want to stay away from any monsters that you find during the daytime because they are not very nice. Really quick tip on hotkeys. The scroll wheel down here, I can use the scroll bar on my mouse, the scroll wheel, to scroll through my inventory to get to different slots, or I can use the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 keys on my keyboard to do the same thing. So now there's chickens here, and I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna kill a couple of these chickens. We're just gonna jump up in the air and just swipe them with the sword. And I feel bad because they're chickens and they're harmless, but we need to eat. And by the way, I'm jumping because every time you jump, when you're falling in the air, oop, the skeleton sees me. When you fall and strike something, then it gives you a critical. So if you just stand here like this and hit it, it won't be as powerful as if you jump and then hit when you're falling down. So you see, I just got chicken and I got feathers, and down right above my inventory slot hotbar, you see I have this little green bar up there. You see the little green bar down there at the bottom, right underneath my hearts? That is my experience bar. So every single time you kill an animal or a monster, it will give you experience. Also, when you farm specific materials, it'll give you experience, and you can use that to enchant items. Much later on, you'll see you can do that. But yeah, so we're gonna just leave those skeletons and stuff because we don't want to deal with those guys right now. Now I want to go ahead and oop, I didn't grab my crafting table back. You want to make sure you do that. You don't want to leave your stuff. This is a taiga, a snowy taiga biome. Let me go ahead and just place this down right here. Boop. And now we can open this and we can make a furnace with these 8 pieces of cobblestone. So we'll just put them all around the side. We'll just left click and hold it down and put it all around the side. That's a furnace now. Now with this furnace, we can cook up our raw chicken. Now we can't eat raw chicken by itself. As you can see, I'm not actually hungry right now. On the right hand side down at the bottom, you see that little chicken meat pops. Yeah. That's my hunger bar. I'm not really hungry right now, but that's okay because we're going to be hungry soon, so I want to make sure we're prepared. Now, we have nothing to cook this with. We could use our wooden tools or some wood, but I want to preserve our wood because we're going to need that. So, we're going to have to go look for some coal. Now, I'm going to put that raw chicken up at the top there because you want to put your food or your other items that you have to cook up at the top. Now, I'm going to go ahead and find some coal. Now, the easiest way to find coal is to find a cave somewhere and then go get coal from the cave. But I don't see any caves around, which might be a problem. So I do see a mountain here. Ooh, there's sugarcane, by the way. So if you see any of this sugarcane, you might want to pick this up too. This stuff will help you out a little bit later on. It usually looks like, if I can, well, there we go. That is usually what it looks like, but when the water freezes over, sugarcane is only able to be placed next to water, so it kind of, gets all weird. Coal looks like that. There it is right there. I knew I would find some up here. So mountains typically have coal on them. So if you find a mountain, you want to go grab some. This is coal. Now if we break this, might take a little bit longer to break than stone. So let's grab this coal real quick because it is getting nighttime. It's getting dark outside. So we're going to put 1 piece of coal. We're going to right click. We're going to put 1 piece of coal in there, and now our chicken is cooking up. You can see the progress bar. The snow is melting and it's bright. Now, we're going to need some more light than this because there's our first monster. Monsters will start to spawn, so let me go ahead and take care of this guy. This is a zombie. He will see you from really far away, like he just did. So, we're going to want to go ahead and fight this guy now, so grab your sword out and just start swinging at him. Like I said, do that little jump maneuver to get those critical little marks right there, and it does more damage. There we go. So now, we just fought our first monster. Perfect. He drops rotten flesh, which we can eat, but it will poison you temporarily, so I don't recommend it unless you're really needing food at the moment. Oh, there's 2 creepers over there. Creepers are not good. They will blow up, so stay away from those. Ooh, so many creepers. Oh my god. Look at that. 1, 2 creepers, 3, 4, 5 creepers on the same place. This is not good, guys. Oh, there's a bad guy. We're going to grab all of our stuff really quickly. Oh boy. Whew. I want to go over here, and I'm just going to dig into the side of this mountain right here. And we're going to make a nice little hidey hole for the first night. So we're going to dig all this out and break it and get inside of here for the night. It's kind of dark. I'm going to go ahead and in our inventory, we're going to open up and then just grab our stick and grab our piece of coal, put it on top like that. We can make torches, 4 torches. We'll put those right there. And now we can place this torch down anywhere and we have light. Now we can see what we're doing. All right, good. This is how to survive your first night. We have successfully survived our first night. We have food. We have tools. We fought a monster, and now we have our first hidey hole. So now we can go ahead and right-click our food, hold that down to eat, and now I'm not hungry anymore. We are good. Now we're gonna dig out some more of this. That is that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Minecraft tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy April Fool's Day, and I will see you guys in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.